Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will be analyzing some of the meme coins we added to our watch list during the last videos. And for the people that are new to this channel, here we track tokens that grow above 20 million market cap. And after that, we track them until they decrease 100x to 200x from their all-time highs. Because normally, after that, if the developers are still working on the project, those tokens, they have a big potential to do a comeback, mainly from 1x to 10x. So let's check some of the tokens we have here on the watch list. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just some information to help you to take your own decisions in day trading. So here we have our watch list, and normally here, if you checked my previous videos, we add every week tokens that grow above 20 million market cap, and then we track them and try to check a nice entrance to do very good profits when they come back. So let's check the ones that here are growing today. And it's important to tell as well that during the last weeks, the crypto market has literally collapsed. But normally, this collapsing times is where we can take really advantage and really profit when other people are panicking. So let's see this token. We had it on the watch list. So let's see the pattern that it follows, because as I said on my previous videos, this pattern is very repetitive. And it's, of course, it has some risk, but anyway, it is repeating and repeating. In this channel, we are checking many charts, and with this, we can interiorize those patterns in our minds, and when we recognize those patterns in the future, we can really take a profit from them. So, for example, this token, it's called 3 Sigma. It has grown approximately, let's say in average, because here there is a big candle, at let's say in average 90 million market cap. And after that, it has collapsed approximately 50x. But anyway, it did a nice comeback already. But let's check it. We put it here. Let's check the peak, like all-time high. Let's check if it was really a peak that was done by traders, or it was just a bot that made it rise quickly. No, it seems it was just some bot that make a pump and dump. But anyway, the average is still 90 million market cap for this token, and it did already a comeback, but it didn't decrease until 100x. That actually it was a price that I was waiting. But anyway, I would say it's a little bit. It's technically approximately 19x, let's say, around 40 to 50x. But anyway, sometimes it's good to take the risk, or just start buying here something, and then if it's still decreasing, you just do a small DCA, and when it pumps, you recover your first investment and profit on the next buys you did when the price was lower. So here, normally when they do the comeback, they really do a nice comeback. For example, this one went from 2 million until let's say 8 million, 9 million. So it's a 4x comeback. And this is a very repetitive pattern. I've been saying that on my videos over and over. And well, just check how it works, how meme coins work. And let's check another chart. This one, for example, Memdex as well. Let's check when was when was the all-time high? I think it was like a couple of weeks ago. Very successful token actually. It went very, very high. If I don't make a mistake, around the 50, 60 million market cap. Let's check. It has a good liquidity as well regarding the market cap. Okay, the chart is here. No, it went actually more. It went until approximately 90, 95 million market cap. But anyway, it did a comeback already. But let's check. It went until, yeah, probably, yeah, let's say around, how much, around 13x, let's say. Very risky though, very risky, but anyway, I prefer to wait until if I don't see 100x, 200x, normally I don't enter, but sometimes they do a nice comeback before. But it's, in my opinion, it's a bit risky. But when the comeback happens, you see by yourself, it goes from 4 million until 16 million, it's a 4x. So, well, I think it could, after this comeback, I think it will continue to decrease, probably 100x, 200x from the all-time high. And on my side, I could enter with some positions there. But for now, it was very risky, but it did already the comeback. So let's check another tokens that are probably, let's check that tokens that have a low market cap, and tokens that actually the developers are still doing something. I think here in these ones, some of them, those tokens are actually abandoned. The developers are not doing anymore, and therefore they have a low potential to come back. For example, let's check this one, Stealth SDK. And actually from your side, if you want to know if the developers are still doing something, you just need to go to the Twitter, or sometimes they put the website or Telegram channel here, and you can see there if they are still commenting, they are still doing something, they are proposing some AMA, stuff like that. So this one went until approximately 30 million market cap. It has decreased, well, I think it did a comeback already. And if I don't make a mistake, we saw it already on my last videos. Yeah, let's say here in average, it went approx 30, probably around 200x from all-time high. But it has it did a comeback already from 125k. It didn't do a good comeback, so potentially I think I could risk on this token. I will just buy some position on my side, but before that I need to make sure that that Twitter is still active of the token. Let's just give a check. It says 6,700 followers. The last post, it was on March 4. It seems the developers are still doing something. So I think this one can have a quite big potential to do a nice comeback. So on my side, I think I will invest something on this token. I don't know, maybe 50, 40, $40. And okay, let's see what will happen. But my prediction, I think this one will do a good comeback. So let's wait to see if it will do a comeback. But anyway, if you invest, I just suggest, and it's not financial advice, but normally I suggest to invest what you can afford to lose. Like invest something that you are like some money that you go to bed and you are still okay and not thinking all night about your money, your investments. Okay, let's check another one. KQ's maximum. If I don't make a mistake, this one did already a comeback. But anyway, let's check the chart like that. We check more patterns and we as well show a proof that these patterns are repeating and repeating over and over in meme coins. Okay, so let's check the pattern of this token. So, for example, well, this token, if I don't make a mistake, it was because of the tweet of Elon Musk a long time ago, and it went until average, let's say 50 million market cap. And very tricky, but 50 million, yeah, here let's say approximately 200x decrease from the all-time high, and after that it did a comeback of approximately 1x. But anyway, I missed this token, but I think here it was a good comeback of approximately 1x to buy. But before this token had already a comeback, just let's check to see the pattern. I know it was too small, 5 million. Normally I track them after 20 million, but here it did another pump. But this maybe will do a good comeback, because normally they do 1x, 2x, 3x comeback. And yeah, potentially I think this token could do a comeback. I will think as well to buy some of these tokens and just wait. And if I don't make a mistake, this token is listed on MEXC exchange. That actually the listing gives more support to the tokens. But potentially this token can do a nice comeback. And on my side, as you know, when there is a comeback, even if I make just 1x, 2x profit, I take it and then I disappear, because there are many tokens created on cryptocurrencies and there is not enough liquidity for all of them. So once it pumps, I just take some profit and then I disappear, because the money is transferred to the tokens that get the attention. And normally the attention is related to the narratives that are trending during the week. And well, but anyway, I think this could do a nice comeback. Let's check. It's still website is still active. Let's check a bit the Twitter to see if maybe the developers abandoned the project. Let's see. The last post was 3 hours ago. It's not good. I will see on my site to invest. It has decreased approximately 200x, between 190 200x from all-time high, and I think it could do a nice comeback. So we will see on the next videos if my prediction is correct. And okay, so maybe let's check just one more, a token that has increased. For example, this one, we love tits, in order to keep checking more patterns. And the more charts we check, the better we get in trading, because we interiorize the pattern, the shape of the chart, how much it decreases from all-time high. And It is important. So this, for example, is a token that went until, let's say, let's say in average 490 million market cap. It's a very successful token. You can see here the liquidity is good compared to the market cap, and it has decreased approximately 100x from all-time high. So here it did a nice comeback already. The comeback works from, let's say, 4.1 million, almost 1x. It was a good, we can observe here, 4.2, let's say, at 1x approximately. But anyway, it was a good token to do some DCAs when it decreasing. Let's imagine you bought here at 100, well, 4.9, that it's 100x from the all-time high. You start to doing some DCAs, and then you, if you don't catch the bottom, you buy it a little bit more here. But when it goes up again, then you recover your first investment and you take profit on the tokens that you bought here at this price. Anyway, probably this token will go up. I think I predict that this token at least will go probably 3x to 10x, maybe until here, until 19 million market cap. So let's keep checking it. But I think it's a token that has a big potential because it went very, very high. The trading volume at this point was big, and meaning that many traders are coming, many traders came to trade this token, so many traders know that this token exists and they are waiting really days and sometimes months in order to pump it again. But I think this token will go up again. I need to buy this token. I just make sure that the website is still up, and let's check Twitter if they are still doing something, because it's the tokens only do a comeback if the developers are still doing something. Okay, the last post, it was on March 4, like last week. I think this token has a big potential to do a nice comeback. Just one more thing. Everything is okay. Let's check no issues. Everything is okay here in the audit, not mintable, not freezable. Okay, so let's track this token and let's see on the next videos if my prediction is correct. So I will keep adding, as always, more tokens to the watch list, and the tokens on my side I will be checking during my free time which ones are still active, meaning that the developers are still posting something on the social media, and the ones that are already dead, I will remove them from the watch list. And I just scroll down here a little bit, so you can do it as well on your side, and you can put on the comment section if you know some news about these tokens. And I will be adding more tokens as well, especially the ones that go above 20 million market cap. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye bye, take care.